Welcome back inside the arena. Halftime, Wright State with a 40-37 lead. And right now, as promised, we're joined by Dr. Eric Makhni of Henry Ford Health Systems. He's a sports medicine orthopedic surgeon and also the team physician for the Detroit Lions. And Doctor, I appreciate your time. And it is great to catch up with you, certainly, because, look, COVID dominates the headlines. It's something that we deal with every single day. As you look around the arena, we're seeing the effects of it. And I want to catch up with you because I want to ask, how challenging has it been for your profession in that you see people might view COVID a certain kind of way, and then they come to see you guys, and their attitude changes about it real quick, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's been challenging, and our country's guidelines have been changing so often too. So we have to keep up with those guidelines and educate our patients. And not everybody is aware of all that's going on. Some are still in disbelief that COVID is impacting people, and many have lost family members. So we have the whole spectrum that we deal with, and the hospital has pretty strict guidelines. Obviously, sports has pretty good guidelines too, so we follow that, and that helps educate patients and loved ones about what's going on.
What's been the biggest tool for you guys in that fight, right? Because you guys need an educated population. That's going to be the best benefit that you guys will see, I think, as a profession. If you have a population that's aware, that knows what to do, that's educated, that's step one in winning the battle, isn't it?
Yeah, and I'm very fortunate. I think at the Henry Ford Health System, they've done an amazing job of educating patients and giving a very clear, unified message. Everyone has to wear masks. Everyone has to be screened when they come to the door. All the surgical planning goes to the same protocols where everyone gets a COVID test 2 days beforehand, and so that really helps. And patients sometimes, they test positive, they don't know it, and then that helps alert them for their family members to be protected too.
Dr. Eric Makhni joining us here from Henry Ford Health System. And, Doctor, I think one of the spin-offs of that, we've seen such a reduction in common flu cases because of all this preparation that we're doing, all these actions that we're taking, the mask, the hand washing, the hand sanitizing. I think we're getting a look at what we're capable of, if we buy into the guidelines, if we do what we're supposed to do.
Yeah, and there's also been a big push for the flu vaccine too, because this is the right time to get it because of that double hit. So I agree with you. The hygiene, the mask use, and also being conscious of when people have symptoms to kind of be mindful of those. There's a lot we can do, and I think it shows that you don't need fancy medicines. You just need some basic precautions.
Absolutely. Well, Doctor, I appreciate everything that you guys have done to help here at Oakland. No games missed for the Golden Grizzlies. I think that speaks a lot to the relationship with the Henry Ford Health System. Thank you for all you're doing for the people. Thank you for what you've done to Oakland, and whatever we can do to help the fight, let us know.
Thanks. We'll keep working. Thanks so much.